Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make this Suwa Bajhi. So this is actually my mother-in-law's recipe, and it's one of the first things I learned to make for my mother-in-law because my husband absolutely loves this and it's really really good. So I'm starting off with chilkabina moong dal, and I'm just going to rinse it. I don't let it soak for a long time because I like each of the kernels to be nice and whole and not like mushy after it cooks. So I'm just going to chop up my dill and my garlic, ginger, onions, and jalapenos. So I DC the jalapenos and I'm mashing my garlic and ginger. For my spices, I have coriander, cumin, garam masala, haldi, red pepper, and coriander cumin mix. So now I'm just going to fry my coriander, my cumin, my whole spices, then put in my onion, my garlic, my ginger, my jalapeno. Let that fry a little bit, add in my dal. Once the dal is in, then I put in the spices and then a little bit of water. So I have 1 cup of the dal, so I'll add in like 3 cups of water, and then I'll put the dill right on top, and I do not stir it. Like the whole time I don't stir it. So I'll cook it on an open flame for like 15 minutes until most of the water is evaporated. Once the water is gone, I turn it to low and cover it for like 5 minutes, and then I just turn it off and I don't open it for another 5 minutes. So the residual heat allows it to cook, and once it's done, you can see like the kernels are not mushy. They're cooked through, but they have like a nice bite to it. It is really good, and I hope you guys try it.